Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here in Grindex show in Pune and I am here at the stall TSGI Cutting Edge Precision. And I am here with the director of the company, Mr. Sanjay Gupta. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, sir. So please tell us about the journey of your company, how it started and how
This has been a really a very eventful journey, I would say so. This company was started in 1991 by my two uncles, my father's younger brothers, Mr. Naresh Gupta and Mr. Sushil Gupta. So Mr. Naresh Gupta is a chartered accountant and Mr. Sushil Gupta was a mechanical engineer. So he was having a bit of experience in this gear cutting tool. But this industry was very in nascent stage and most of the companies that were operating in a quality segment were coming from all joint collaboration, from foreign collaboration, either from Japanese or European companies. And so there was not a space for indigenous company. So it took a long time for us to get into that space where we could be considered as a serious quality manufacturer for gear cutting tools. So I joined this company in 1998 and so I've been part of this journey from last 27, 28 years now. If I talk about our present situation now, we are the only indigenous company in India. If you talk about all the other major competitors here, those have been established with the foreign technology transfer or with the joint collaborations with the foreign partners. We are now the largest Indian manufacturer in India. Similarly, like our competition is with all the foreign-based companies, multinational companies from Japan and Europe. And we are standing is that we are considered at par in terms of quality that we produce. And our customer segment comes from all the automotive as well as non-automotive segments.
fantastic. So you have indigenously
Yes. We have this complete technology that we have. We are importing our machines from Europe. Similarly, the raw material is imported from Europe. So we are importing the best of the machines in that specific segment. Talking about the inspection system, we have Klingenberg machines. Similarly, for hot profile grinding, we have machines from Germany. Similarly, for shaving cutters, again for machines from Italy and USA. So if you talk about all the the best machine segments for that particular product, we are sourcing those machines. We are not really bound by any advice to, or we are not bound to buy from any particular manufacturer for that. So this has been our strength. Secondly, the decision making has been very fast with us. It's not a bureaucrat, it's a family owned company. So this is we are just taking the decisions based on the market. Based on the market study, we are expanding our product range. Similarly, then we are expanding the quantities also, the capacities also in each and every product profile. Now this company is headed by Mr. Naresh Gupta. So he is the managing director of the company. So, and he is a chartered accountant, and now it is joined by the next generation also. His son, Mr. Abhishek, is a part of the company. Mr. Sushil Gupta's son, Mr. Harshit, so he is here also. So he is also a part of the company now. I'm playing active roles.
So this is a very inspiring journey you have, that you have developed all the technology indigenously.
Yes.
Even though you are getting best of the infra and technology from outside as well, in
Yes.
terms of
Yes.
manufacturing setup.
Yes.
So why this show, sir? Why you have chosen this show? What is the importance of this Grindex show for you?
We have not been participating in an Indian exhibition for a long time. And the other show that we were going was MTEX, but again, that was too generalized show. And off late, like we have started hearing, very good reviews about this show. One that was it's particularly, dedicated for the gear industry. So this time, like we took a decision to at least go and try and see what kind of response we get from this show. Now, after coming here, definitely we are very satisfied with the kind of response we are having. One. Secondly, the kind of people that are coming to this show are all related to the gear technology. So it's a good show for networking as well. And so the discussions we are having is very good quality discussions we are having with the people. So I would say, in terms of visitors or the discussions, everything is quality oriented and the networking is really good. And we find that all the people from Gear Technologies are under one umbrella. So I must congratulate the Gear Technology India for organizing this wonderful show.
Fantastic. I hope you are having a really successful show here and a lot of visitors are coming to your booth.
Yes.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
your time.
Thank you so much, Ashutosh, for having us. Thank you. Bye.